We're down on the South Fork today. It's getting into autumn, and we have a rare treat today. On the rock right here in front of me are little nymphal shucks of a certain kind of stonefly that hatches only at this time of year down here. You can see there's a big gravel bar behind me. There's a lot of big gravel bars out here on this stretch. As the water drops and exposes these rocks, these stoneflies hatch. These are a special smaller golden stonefly. They're actually kind of gray in color, and they're what we call a mutant. They don't have wings. So that makes for great dry fly fishing out here because since they can't fly, they just skitter across the surface and drive trout absolutely nuts. So we're gonna have the opportunity today to tuck a big rubber-legged dry fly into these fast banks and these flats and all over and twitch it and skitter it around a lot and get these fish up to eat it. We just came through the first little stretch of bank from the put-in. We've gone a few hundred yards and we've had like a dozen fish take the dry fly already. So this is only gonna get better. Come on, let's roll. There you go, that's it. So they'll come at it on the twitch, then it stops and they catch it. All right, they see it skitter, they start coming, you stop it, they eat it.
But in this situation, just fish it.
Right there. Maybe, yeah, little twitches, maybe. But try and give it a little drift in between the skitters, you know? That's because that's when they're gonna catch it and eat it.
Gotcha.
They'll swat at it while it's moving, but they'll probably miss it. Let's go in there a little closer and just do the same thing. Just go in deep, skitter it out. Good. I mean, you're waiting long enough, I feel like, before you go. You're doing it hard. There you go, nice one. Cutty. Nice cutthroat. There you go, I think you're doing it right, Mark. I'd say you're doing it just fine. I'm gonna slide in here and anchor up.
Little slow eat. First cutthroat of the day.
Classic cutty eat,
yeah.
Real slow.
See this grass right here, came right off this grass.
Yeah, he's living in there. He's tucked right in here. Just like on the Teton flatwater.
We've got a double dry on here because these fish are totally zoned in on these mutant stones. God, they just don't quit. Just amazing. Such a fun fishery when you can take fish regularly on a day like today on dries. It doesn't get any better than this. It really, see? Good trick, huh?
Yeah.
Good job.
Nice cutty.
Nice fish.
Mutant stone.
What a fantastic animal.
Dandy.
Whoa. I feel his head shakes. I mean,
yeah.
I got him in the lips.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna bump down. I'm gonna stay moving right. I'm gonna stay along this bank. I don't want to get this log right here in our way. So I'm not gonna put us over the lumber yard. I'm gonna come down here. Looks like the bottom's all clear right here. Man.
That is a giant brown trout.
Okay, I'm gonna back up and anchor, and I'm gonna jump out and run down there. It's like he just rolled up in it just then.
That's a big rainbow.
It is, a big cut bow.
Nice. Nice,
yeah.
nice.
Oh.
All right, get out, take a look at this guy.
See, look at this one.
This is a big fish, man.
Look at that thing.
That is a special fish.
That is a specimen, is what that is. So this is a hybrid cut bow. You can tell that by a couple things. First of all, they'll often have a little blotch on their belly, like this big girl's got a little yellow dot right here. The other way you can tell is if you push on their tongue a little, they'll have a little red, hot orange in there. You see that?
Yeah. All right, man, let's let her go. What a fish.
What a fish, huh?
Thrill.
Look at that thing. All right, here you go, girl.
There we go. Okay.